Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to create draggable onboarding sliders. You can see that there are 4 sliders on this mobile screen. First, drag in a hot area and place it in the center of the screen. Name it Center. Then name the slides 1, 2, 3, 4. Create them as a dynamic panel and name it Slider. Next, add a dragged interaction to it. Move this with Drag X. Then add a boundary. Set the left to is less than or equal 0. Add another left boundary, and by dragging, we can see its position is -1080. Now, let's add a drag-dropped interaction. Here, we need to add a condition. Area of widget 1 is over area of widget center. Move the x-coordinate of this to 0. Duplicate the interaction. Change the target to 2 and move the x-coordinate of this to -360. Duplicate the interaction again. Change the target to 3 and move the x-coordinate of this to -720. Duplicate the interaction once more. Change the target to 4 and move the x-coordinate of this to -1080. Then, add a linear animation to all the move actions. Preview the prototype. Drag the sliders. When the mouse is released, depending on where it is dropped, the slider will move to the appropriate position. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.